Alright, check this out. Most folks figure getting older means giving stuff up, especially foods that have been wrongly called bad. Eggs, perfect example. For years they were like a rare treat, not something you'd eat every day. But get this, tossing 2 whole eggs a day into the mix after you hit 50 might actually unlock some seriously amazing benefits. Stronger muscles, sharper vision, better energy. Sounds wild, right? Almost too good to be true, but the results? They speak for themselves. And yeah, the science totally backs it up. In this video, you're going to discover the research behind why this simple, budget-friendly food might just be a secret weapon for aging well, from muscle and brain function to eye health and a whole lot more. Welcome to Genius Health Solutions. We believe that the best way to support human health is by working with your body's natural ability to heal itself. Your body is brilliant. It's our job to help you learn to support it the natural genius way. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk cholesterol. I mean, it's the main reason folks steer clear of eggs, right? For years, we've heard loud and clear that cholesterol in food is bad news for your heart. But, hey, times are changing, and so is the science. You know, now research shows that for most of us, the cholesterol in food, it's only got a tiny effect on cholesterol in your blood. I mean, your body's pretty smart, right? It adjusts how much cholesterol your liver makes based on what you eat. Check out this study from 2024, for example. Older adults with heart disease risks who ate, get this, 12 fortified eggs every week saw no harmful changes in their cholesterol levels. The real deal, it's not the eggs themselves, it's what they usually come with, like processed meats or butter-soaked toast. With that myth totally busted, eggs are ready for an awesome comeback, don't you think? Here's the deal. After you hit the big 5-0, your muscles start losing muscle mass, strength, and function. This is called sarcopenia, and it's totally natural. But just because it's natural doesn't mean you shouldn't fight it. Less muscle means slower revs, less oomph, and, maybe a tumble or two. The good news is that eggs are here to save the day. I'm talking 2 big ones clocking in at around 12 grams of top-tier protein. And get this, it ain't just any protein. We're talking all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the MVP of Muscletown. Leucine's like the on switch, telling your muscles, yo, let's build. Here's the lowdown. Chowing down on eggs regularly gives your body exactly what it needs to kick sarcopenia to the curb and keep you strong, active, and totally independent. Forgetfulness. Word-finding struggles. That, why did I walk in here, kind of feeling. These little lapses can start showing up more often as we age. Yeah, but here's where eggs shine again, this time for the brain. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient most people don't get enough of. Choline helps create acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter for memory, mood, and learning. Just 2 eggs can cover about half the daily choline needs. Wow. Plus, eggs deliver a brain-boosting combo of selenium, vitamin B12, and vitamin D, nutrients known to support cognitive health for the long haul. A lot of folks over 50 start seeing changes in their eyesight, right? Especially when it comes to glare, driving at night, or reading the fine print. But guess what? Eggs can be your secret weapon. Yep, egg yolks are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. These are antioxidants that are like built-in sunglasses for your eyes. They help block that nasty blue light and keep your retina safe from damage. And get this, these nutrients are way easier for your body to use in eggs than in leafy greens, all thanks to the fat in the yolk that helps you absorb them. Just 1 egg yolk a day. That's all it takes to boost the levels of these protective compounds in your blood, helping you keep that vision clear and strong as you age. Okay, check this out. Eggs aren't just a one-hit wonder, you know? They're super filling, totally satisfying, and perfect for keeping your weight in check, thanks to that awesome protein. Plus, they're like a little multivitamin. Vitamin D, A, E, B12, iron, and zinc, all packed into 1 tasty bite. And for your immune system, that trio of vitamin A, vitamin D, and selenium, boom. It's like a total boost, helping everyone stay strong and healthy. So, to snag all these awesome benefits without the downsides. Check how those eggs are prepped, okay? Your best move, keep it clean and simple, right? Boiled, poached, or scrambled in a non-stick pan with just a tiny bit of oil. I'm talking about a couple of hard-boiled eggs in your salad or a soft scramble on whole grain toast. Bam! Easy peasy, nutrient-packed meal. The big idea, let those eggs rock without loading them up with processed junk. Alright, so what really happens when someone chows down on a couple of eggs a day after hitting the big 5-0? Well, they're giving their body the rocket fuel it craves to bulk up those muscles, supercharge their brain power, and shield their precious eyesight. All while enjoying a grub that's both tasty and easy on the wallet. Eggs, man. They've made one heck of a comeback from that bum rap they used to have. For most of us healthy adults, they're now seen as a real treasure in a well-rounded diet, especially as we get up there in age. And hey, don't be shy. Drop your own egg ventures down in the comments. Have eggs given you a boost in energy, memory, or strength? Share the love. You might just light a fire under someone else to give it a shot too. If this info was a game changer for you, slam that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ding that notification bell so you don't miss the next hot tip on living your best life after 50.
Thanks for joining us here on Genius Health Solutions. If you learned something, like, share, and subscribe.